Hello YouTube, just a update on my gluing of a phone mount. It's just another project I do, and so well, I tend to do that, and it's a weird thing, but I'm gonna try this super glue since sometimes it just works, and put it in these little spots where it's starting to come out without just totally pulling it apart. And this might work. I will see about that, but just feeding it in the, I don't know how to do this. I need a mouth mount is what I need, but then I can't speak, so I'm gonna cut the video, and then if this works, then it works. And I'll be having more videos using this because it's important for certain points of view. Thank you.